In this video, I'm going to install some of the stuff I'm going to need. I've already got OBS Recorder. Here I'm installing Chrome, which is good for development. Now I'm downloading Resolve. Next I'll get XCode, which you need for installing a lot of other things, even if you don't use XCode directly. But eventually I'll use XCode as well directly, so I'll install some of the extra modules for app development. Now I'm looking for Homebrew, which is used to install a lot of different things on Mac OS. Homebrew install is proceeding. Now I'm looking for VSCode, which I'll use as an editor for most things. Now I'm installing rbenv for installing Ruby. It didn't work at first because I needed to add it to the shell. I'm using Z shell here for the first time instead of bash, so that'll be interesting. Now I'm installing Ruby. Although it installed, I wasn't able to use it at first. I realized I missed a step. I went back to the home page and realized I needed to run rbenv init. After that, I was able to use the new Ruby. I installed a couple things here to make sure it's working, like pry, which is a Ruby shell, and then I'm going to install Rails. And then I go to the Rails site to follow the instructions for creating a sample blog application, which I'll use just to demo things. And I start the server, the Rails server, and browse to localhost 3000, and I can see it's working. And that's it for now, and in the next video we'll start doing something more productive, looking at shell commands and that sort of thing.